I'm calling my attorney.
Sit in the car.
My children are home alone.
I'm giving you an order.
Sit in the car.
We will
My
get your
children
father here.
are home alone.
Stop kicking us.
I'm gonna kick you right in the fucking...
The warrant was already signed. A judge reviewed the evidence, found probable cause, authorized the arrest. Before that officer pulled into the driveway, the legal decision had already been made by someone with a robe and a gavel. Everything she did in that garage was resistance against a court order. Not a police opinion, a court order. This is proof on record.
Hey, step out of the car right now. Get out of the car. Ma'am, we'll talk about everything, but get out of the car. Yep. 20 expedite, we're in the garage, she's closing. Ma'am, step out.
Excuse me.
Step out.
No, excuse me.
Step
Get
out.
your hands off of me.
Step out of the car right
No,
now. Yes.
No.
Step out of the car.
Get your hands off
Get
of
out of the car.
No.
You're under arrest.
me. No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
Get your hands
Open this
off.
garage door.
Excuse me.
Let go.
No, you get your hands off of me. No.
Get out of the car now.
No.
I will tase you if you don't get out of the car.
You better take your hands off of me right now. Get your hands off of me.
Stop. I told you you're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Why?
Because you have a warrant. And you're wanted for
No.
domestic battery. Yes, you are.
Excuse me. I just sent a message and I am... Excuse me. Excuse me.
Get out of the car right now.
No.
I told you I can handle this peacefully, but you have to get out of the car.
No, you never
Yeah.
said that. I sent you a message. My attorney...
Affirmative. I have one cuff on.
You... Excuse me. Did somebody say that you could come into our house? If you don't stop tugging
I'm
on
going to tase you if you don't get opener.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're obstructing right now. Do you
No,
understand
you're
that?
obstructing.
I'm not going to tell you again.
No, I'm not going to tell you again.
Get out of the car right
Stop kicking us.
Do you
Alright, 20 minutes.
understand?
One female, 1095.
You did this.
No, I didn't do anything. No, I didn't.
Andy asked you to come out.
Excuse me?
Andy asked you to get out of the car.
No, Andy yanked me.
I yanked you because I told you you're under arrest and you refused to exit your vehicle. Yes.
Are you going to step up and be cooperative?
No, my attorney is...
Are you going to stand up and be cooperative?
Are you going to understand that my attorney has filed a motion to quash this?
All right. You just stand your knee.
My attorney has filed a motion to quash this. Has filed
We're
a
going out here,
motion
this way.
to quash this.
You hit us, you do anything stupid towards us, and we're adding
Excuse
charges
me?
on. If you hit us
Excuse me?
or anything, let's go.
You've already hit me.
I didn't hit you. I asked you out of the car. I told you you're under arrest. Now you got a whole show for your neighbors here.
You are a dick. My children don't have anybody at home right now. You're going to put my kids alone in danger? I need to call my attorney. I'm not getting in that car until I call my attorney. I'm calling my attorney.
It's not going to happen.
No, I'm calling my attorney.
When the time comes, you're gonna call your
Right now. I'm calling
Right now you're under arrest.
No, I'm calling my attorney.
Sit in the car.
My children are home alone.
giving you an order.
Sit in the car.
We will
My
get your
children
father here.
are home alone. My children are home alone.
We will
And I'm
take care of your children.
No, you're not taking care of shit.
I'm gonna get
The
help.
way that you take care of somebody is throwing them down on the ground.
Nobody
You
threw
are
your
a
children on the ground.
You are a shitty fucking human being.
That's messed up.
You throw somebody down in front of their children? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Sit down. I told you.
Fuck you. you, you piece of shit. You know what? You are the piece of dirt that I wouldn't piss on if you were on fire.
I smell an odor of alcohol on your breath.
No, that's my piss.
That's your piss?
I'm pissing on you.
Okay.
Guess what?
What?
You're the worst part of the society. You think?
I don't think so.
Oh, no, I know it.
I don't think so.
I fucking know it. You are the worst. You take down a mother in front of her fucking children, but you are somehow fucking
I think he
great.
asked you pretty politely to get out.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Were you there?
Sounds like you were fleeing, right?
Were you there?
All right, we're good.
Were you there?
You saw my emergency lights before you even got in the alley.
Were you there? Were you there?
Bend your legs.
No, were you there?
Bend your legs. Don't continue
Were you there? Were you there? Were
I
you
saw what I
there?
saw when I walked in.
Yeah.
You're not getting out.
She keeps saying her attorney filed a motion to quash. Here is what that means legally and why it does not matter in this garage right now. A motion to quash challenges the validity of a warrant. It is a legitimate legal tool, but it is filed in court. It is argued in court. It is decided in court. Until a judge grants it, the warrant is active and fully enforceable. An unfiled motion, a pending motion, even a granted motion that officers have not yet been notified of, none of those suspend the execution of a warrant in the field. Officers are not required to stop an arrest because a suspect tells them her lawyer is working on something. If that argument worked, every arrest warrant in America could be delayed indefinitely by anyone with a phone and a lawyer's number. The husband's interference is the other legal thread here. He is physically trying to pull officers away from her. Under Illinois law, that is obstruction of a peace officer. He is not defending her legally. He is making her situation worse practically and potentially creating his own charges at the same time. Then the officer says it. He smells alcohol. She is sitting in a running vehicle in a garage with children in the home, and she smells of alcohol. This is not a DUI stop anymore. This is the opening of a felony case. Under Illinois law, a third DUI is a Class 2 felony. Add a child passenger, and it becomes aggravated DUI with an enhanced sentencing range. She just handed them a felony charge while refusing to comply with a misdemeanor warrant.
Mobile.
She cooperated the same bottle, same odor of alcohol. Okay. Hey, I didn't tell you to get out of the car. Stop. Do you have your phone on you?
Don't touch me.
Do you have your phone on you?
Get your fucking hands off me.
Where's your phone?
Do not.
Where's your phone at?
Get do not touch me. Okay. Did I ever say you fucker do not touch me? Get his fucking hands off me. Get your fucking hands off me.
Cool. Hey, if you keep resisting,
I'm
gonna charge you with that. If
you know what? I'm gonna charge you with putting your fucking dirty ass hands on me.
Stop moving. Let him take off your watch.
You don't get to touch me. You are a disgusting piece of shit. The next time you fucking touch me.
Hey, get in the car.
Sit in the car.
No, he doesn't get to touch me.
Okay,
sit in the car.
Follow, use the words of what these are hands.
Hey, get in the car. If you don't, you're going to get charged with obstructing. Get in the car.
If he fucking touches me again.
Get in the car, Sean.
Get your fucking hands off
Sean,
me.
he's not even touching you. Get in the car.
Oh, but
I'm not touching you.
No, he's touched me.
Get in the car,
He's
Sean.
touched me way more times than appropriate.
Sean, get in the car.
Do you know what he's done? If you
Stop kicking us.
I'm gonna kick you right in the fucking
That's mean. Don't do that.
Motherfucker,
Hey, pull the handle strap out the door.
that motherfucker has touched me more times than appropriate. Do you understand?
Everyone.
Do you understand how many fucking times he's touched me?
Alright, we have a couple of charges of our own too, so it's going to be a lot.
Then what? We could just do what he says.
No.
Listen to what he says verbally.
I'm coming for him.
Okay.
My attorney is filing charges against you, motherfucker.
Let's take her out of
You
here.
are
There's no point. I'll meet you guys at PD.
Okay.
Dirtbag that I've ever witnessed in my entire fucking life.
Do you need anything in regards to your house?
I am suing you.
Do you need anything?
Galley. You are dead.
What's that?
You are getting sued.
No. What'd you say before that?
face is getting...
You said I am dead? What do you mean by that?
You are...
Elaborate on it if you mean it.
You're getting sued. You have touched me more...
Do Agasol too, she tried to bite me.
Way more. You think you're cool? You can beat up a girl? Good for you. Good for
Henry,
you.
20, I'm transporting one female back to the station. Copy starting.
Good for you. You're stronger than girl. Wow.
97197 97197.
She threatens to kick an officer. Then she says she is going to sue everyone. Then an officer reports she tried to bite him. A bite attempt on a law enforcement officer during an arrest in Illinois is aggravated assault on an officer, felony. Her teeth just doubled her charge sheet. Watch how the officers manage this. They are not retaliating. They are not escalating beyond what the situation requires. They are methodically trying to get a combative, intoxicated suspect into a vehicle while she cycles through threats, insults, and physical resistance. Every officer in that garage is aware the body cameras are recording. Every movement is being documented. She keeps invoking her attorney like a shield. My attorney is filing charges against you. I am suing you. You are dead. The officer asks her to elaborate on that last one. Smart. If you make a statement that sounds like a threat to an officer during an arrest, it goes in the report. She clarifies she means a lawsuit. Fine. But lawsuits filed after the fact do not change what happened in the garage. And every threat she makes is going into the charging document. The bite attempt is reported on radio immediately. She tried to bite me too. That is how additional charges begin. Not in the courtroom, in a radio transmission 4 blocks from home.
Okay.
I can start just reading what he was.
Shall I step out?
Where's my watch?
I have your watch.
Oh, is it accounted for?
What's up?
I didn't get any paperwork accounting for it.
We drove 4 blocks. He has custody of your watch in the booking room.
And guess what?
Just so you know, with body camera, your watch is right here,
And
okay?
guess what?
How about Sean?
I don't take anything for granted.
That's great. Can you hop out of the car now?
I don't know. You want to drag me out like you drug me in?
No, I prefer not to.
No, I know you enjoy that.
That's your opinion. Can you get out now?
No, it's what I experienced. Thank you.
Are you going to willingly exit this car or no?
I don't think I can because my feet are tied together and my hands. So I don't think that I can
I'll help
willingly.
you out then. I'll help you out, Sean. Come on.
Dick,
Let's go.
that guy.
Hey, why are your... Hey, put your feet back on the other side. No. Here, put your feet down. Put your feet... No. Put your feet down there.
It hurts too much. You could just take it off.
Okay, no. We're not doing
No, you're gonna kick it.
No, what am I? I'm fucking 100 pounds. You think I'm going to take a 200-pound dude?
Sean,
Well, you've already kicked at us a lot of times.
Sean.
You're not going to win.
Why?
You're going to hurt us.
Why? Because that guy right there.
The one you tried to bite?
Okay, Sean, let's go.
Why? Could you ask yourself a question?
Sean, put your legs
Why?
down like this.
Why?
And let's
Because that guy beat me up and drugged me out of my
Sean,
car in
can you
front of
just-
my fucking kids.
Hey, Sean.
Because that guy
Okay.
is a dick.
Let's go.
That's why.
We're going.
You don't have any sort of consciousness or awareness as to
Hey,
why.
stand up, Sean. You can.
No, I can't.
You were standing outside of the car earlier, weren't you? Now stand up.
How can I stand up?
Then you need a security order, right? How do
You're gonna be
20
a
simple.
Well, you're not being nice to me since...
You're not being nice to me. You never have.
All right, then we're going to have to...
Do you know how many fucking times I've served you guys food I sat out there and served you guys hot dogs.
I wish you would just be nice to us instead of
I
serving
wish
us
you would be
food.
fucking nice to me. Are you fucking kidding me? You're making my wrists bleed?
Well, it's following simple orders, Sean.
Yeah, politely, like an adult.
I did nothing.
She is in the transport vehicle now, and the mask comes off completely. She tells the officer she served him hot dogs. She wishes he would just be nice to her. She says she did nothing. This is the thing about warrant arrests that people do not understand. Officers executing a warrant have no discretion over whether to make the arrest. None. The judge made that decision. The officer's job is execution, not evaluation. He cannot decide she seems like a good person and let her go. He cannot weigh the hot dogs against the warrant. The warrant is the order, and the order is final until a court says otherwise. She says the handcuffs are making her wrists bleed. The officer documents it. That is the correct response. You note it, you check it, you make sure it is in the report. Because if it is not in the report, it becomes an allegation later. The underlying domestic battery charge was eventually dropped. Let that sit for a second. The thing that started all of this, the warrant that brought officers to her garage that morning, dropped. But the charges from the garage are not dropped. The DUI is not dropped. The aggravated assault on the officer is not dropped. The child endangerment filed a week later is not dropped. She came into contact with the justice system over one allegation and left it facing a felony DUI, a felony assault, child endangerment, and a bail bond violation. The original charge went away. The one she created that morning did not.